are some things in life that just make sense, like dogs being better than cats, like pineapple on pizza being a crime, like your AirPods going missing only when you actually need them. But in tech, there is one universal truth we all have to accept. Apple leaks get crazier every single year. And folks, the iPhone 17 Pro Max leaks, they are absolutely unhinged. This ain't just a small upgrade year. Nope, this is Apple going full bananas. And I'm here to walk you through the 10 biggest leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro Max that are making the internet lose its collective mind. So sit back, relax, and try not to throw your current phone in the trash halfway through this video. Let's go. Leak number 1. According to leak master Ming-Chi Kuo and some juicy reports from The Information, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is going to be the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made. We are talking iPhone 6 levels of slim, but without the bendy spaghetti build quality. They are apparently using a new aluminium titanium hybrid frame to make this happen. Translation? It'll feel like holding a futuristic iPhone wafer and probably make your current phone look like a chunky brick. You thought the iPhone 15 Pro was light? Wait till you pick this up. It might float out of your hand. Just tie it down with a MagSafe case before it escapes your pocket. Leak number 2. Selfie lovers, rejoice. Word on the street is that Apple is slapping a new 24 megapixels front camera on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's a big jump from the current 12 megapixel shooter. So expect your selfies to go from to holy crap, who is that angel overnight. Gurman even said Apple's been testing under display Face ID, but that might get pushed to the iPhone 18. Still, this camera upgrade is going to be wild. Better low light performance, better video calls, better FaceTime flexing. Leak number 3. Ice Universe, a leaker who basically lives inside factories, says the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have the thinnest bezels in smartphone history. Not just for Apple, like ever. They're using some display black magic to shrink the borders to basically nothing. No knots, no dynamic island, just screen. That means more screen space without making the phone any bigger. Yes please. Imagine scrolling TikTok with screen going edge to edge. Cinema vibes. Leak number 4. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will reportedly be powered by the A19 Pro chip, built on a 2 nanometers process. So what does that mean for normal people? Basically, it'll be stupid fast and way more efficient than any chip currently out there. Faster gaming, faster video editing, more battery life, and less heat. And if the M4 chip in the iPad is anything to go by, this thing's gonna run cooler than your ex's heart. Apple's about to embarrass Android again. Leak number 5. This is the year Apple's going to be big on AI. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will ship with iOS 19, which brings Apple Intelligence. Yes, that's literally what it's called. Think AI summaries, smart replies, Siri finally being useful. Hopefully, and all the generative AI stuff Samsung and Google are doing, but with that Apple polish. Expect on-device processing with privacy baked in, which means your embarrassing late-night Google searches won't end up training a chatbot. Also, automatic photo edits, custom emojis, and even voice cloning for accessibility. Welcome to the future. Leak number 6. Battery life on the 17 Pro Max looking excellent. Apple's using stacked battery tech. Think of it like Tetris blocks fitting perfectly instead of wasting space. This means more capacity in the same shell. Combine that with the 2 nanometer chip's power efficiency, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the battery king. Like multi-day use levels if you're not doom scrolling TikTok 24/7. Oh, and MagSafe charging might finally get faster. About time. Leak number 7. Another weird but cool rumor. Apple might add a new anti-reflective, anti-fingerprint coating to the display and the frame. So your phone won't look like a greasy smudge magnet 5 minutes after you wipe it. Imagine actually being able to see your screen in the sun without it turning into a mirror. Revolutionary, honestly. Also helps with scratches and glare. A small thing that makes a big difference. Leak number 8. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting a completely redesigned rear camera system. Like new layout, new sensors, every single thing. Except a periscope zoom lens with better optical zoom, better low light performance, and improved video stabilization. Also, spatial video capture might be getting an upgrade, just in time for that overpriced Vision Pro headset you definitely cannot afford. TikTok edits are about to get a glow up. RIP to anyone still using a 13 Pro. Leak number 9. While the frame and bezels are getting a glow up, the overall design language of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is still very Apple. Flat sides, premium build, matte glass back. But here is the twist. We might be getting a slightly taller and narrower display with a 6.9-inch size. That's up from the current 6.7 inches. So basically, Apple's making a phone that's both more compact and has a bigger screen. Witchcraft. Also, rumor has it, there might be new colors like deep blue titanium and maybe even a matte red. Leak number 10. Alright, here's the part where your wallet starts crying. Rumors say the iPhone 17 Pro Max might start at $1,300 or even higher. Yup, we're entering premium laptop money territory. But considering all the upgrades, new design, new chip, AI stuff, better camera, it kinda makes sense. But it doesn't mean we're happy about it. But hey, at least your phone will finally feel worth more than your rent. Maybe, unless you live in California. Now here are some bonus leaks. Let's compare this beast to what's coming from the competition. iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is still rocking the Dynamic Island A18 chip and standard triple camera setup. The 17 Pro Max will basically make it look like last year's leftovers. Now let's compare it to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expecting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, 200 megapixels main cam, and wild AI features. But Samsung still has to fight Android fragmentation and heat issues. Now let's compare it to the legendary upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro. Google's pushing AI real hard, but their Tensor chips are usually 2 to 3 years behind Apple in raw performance. Plus, Pixels still overheat faster than a microwave burrito. So yes, unless something real wild happens, Apple's probably holding the performance crown again this year. Look, we're still months away from launch and these are all leaks. Things can change real fast. Apple might pull a fast one. But even if half of these leaks are true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is gonna be absolutely cracked. A true Avengers Endgame phone. It is thinner, it is faster, it is smarter. It's more expensive than your student loans. But dang, if it doesn't sound amazing. So yes, iPhone 17 Pro Max leaks are crazy. 10 new features that make us all wonder how much we can sell a kidney for in this economy. Start saving or start praying. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. See you in the next one. And please, for the love of all things holy, Stop using your cracked iPhone 12 until the battery explodes. Treat yourself. Peace out.